Hi everyone. Okay, let's provide a solution to this equation. 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 30. Now what do we do in this case? Apply factorization. 5 to the power of x, 1 is here because 5 to the power of x times 1 will give us the same 5 to the power of x. Then plus here again we have 1. This is equal to 30. If you open this bracket, it will give you this equation back. So we have 5 to the power of x into bracket 2 equals 30. Okay, have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not, please subscribe so you can get more of my videos. How do I remove these two? Since we have this multiplied by this, if you want to remove either of them, you will divide by what you want to remove. Then on the other side, you divide by the same number. So this is going to go with this. Now 5 to the power of x is alone and is equal to 30 divided by 2. That is 15. Now we cannot write 15 in the base of 5. This is because 15 here is 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, so we can write this in index form. So we'll now take log of both sides. Log of 5 to the power of x will be equal to the log of 5 times 3. Now we're going to apply a law here. If you have log a b, that is a times b. This is the same thing as log a plus log b. So I'm going to apply this to this. So I'll have log 5 to the power of x being equal to log 5 plus log 3. Log 5 plus log 3. And this is to say that log 5 plus log 3 is the same thing as log 15. Please take note of that. Now this power here will go behind. So if it does that, we'll now have, we'll be having x log 5 equals log 5 plus log 3. Okay, do not make any mistake to say that log 5 plus log 3 is log 8. You can add this and call it log 8, right? Now the next point is to remove this from here. Remember I told you that if you have x times log 5 and you want to remove one of them, you would divide it by itself. So log 5 will be divided by log 5, but it has to reflect on the other side. Divide this by log 5 as well, so that this will take this away. Now x is alone. This will go into this one time, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. Now we'll apply change of base because this is directly to base 10 and this is also to base 10. So if you apply change of base, the 5 here becomes the base to the power, to the numerator. So our x will be 1 plus log 3 to base 5. So this right here is the value of x. But if you want to have your answer in decimal, you will use your calculator. Okay, so this is our value of x. So let's verify to see whether what we got truly satisfies the equation. Remember, the equation is 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 30. Now, if you put x into this, the value of x into this, we have 5 to the power of 1 plus log 3 to base 5, then plus 5 to the power of 1 plus log 3 to base 5. Okay, so if we add this, are we going to have 30? If we do not have 30, then we are wrong. So what do? We're going to apply a law to this. Remember that if you have a to the power of x plus y, this can be written as a to the power of x times the same a to the power of y. Okay, now if you obey the law of indices, you pick one of this and then add the power. That will bring you back to what we have on the left. So we're going to write this in this form. We have 5 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 again to the power of log 3 to base 5. Okay, so this right here is for this one. Then here again, we're going to have the same thing. So I'll have plus, maybe let me open brackets so that we can separate them. We have 5 again to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. This is very simple. This is 5, okay, times, this is 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. Okay, so this 5 has this as its power. So therefore, if this base and this are the same, then we can let go of this and then we'll work with 3. Right? Then plus, on the other hand, 5 to the power of 1 is 5. So half your 5 multiplied by the same thing will happen here. So we have 3. Then at the end of the day, we have 5 times 3, 15, plus 5 times 3 again, 15. So 15 plus 15 will give 30. And that is all we had on the right hand side of the equation, because our 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 30. Right? So we are very correct to say that our x is equal to 1 plus log 3 to the base of 5. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, subscribe so you can get more of this. Thank you.